Hey everybody, welcome back to another How to Learn Python video tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about comparators. So comparators are used to take two values and compare them together to produce a Boolean value based off the relationship between those two values. This is commonly used with numerical values, but can be used with other data types as well. So the first four comparators we'll talk about, you probably recognize from earlier math classes. These are the greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, and less than or equal to comparators. So to do these, you use the same alligator type symbol that you used in math. So to say 3 is greater than 2, you would type this. That obviously produces a true result. If you said 3 is greater than 3, that would obviously produce a false result because those two values are equal. To do less than, you just flip the alligator sign. So 3 is less than 4. It's going to produce true. Or 3 is less than 3. If we do that again, that'll produce false because, again, they're equal to each other. So now to check for equality as well, you can just add an equal sign to the end of your little alligator symbol. So now if you did 3 is greater than or equal to 3, you'll get a true result. And 3 is less than or equal to 3 will also give you a true result. So now that's actually 4 out of the 6 comparators that are most common in Python. The two we have left to talk about are just the equals comparator and the not equals comparator. So we already used the equals sign to assign a value to a variable. However, if you use two equal signs, you're stating that you want to compare two values to check for equality. So if we said 3 equals 3, we're asking is 3 equal to 3? That obviously will produce a true result. If you said 3 equal to 4, that'll give us a false result because those aren't equal. Now to check for non-equality, you just add an exclamation point instead of that first equal sign. So 3 is not equal to 3 will produce a false result, but 3 is not equal to 4 will produce a true result. So these last two comparators are actually commonly used with non-numerical values as well. So you can check to see if two strings are equal to each other by typing out one string, using the double equal sign, and the other string. So hello is equal to hello, and because those are the same, we get a true result. If we did hello is equal to hi, that would obviously give us a false result because those aren't equal. All right, these are the 6 comparators you can use in Python. So if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, I hope you guys learned something. Peace.